Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Chainlink from Phantom Wallet to Revolut in 2025. If you've got Chainlink tokens sitting in your Phantom Wallet and want to transfer them to your Revolut account for easier management or spending, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but remember, crypto transactions involve risks like fees and potential errors, so always double-check everything. First things first, make sure you have the basics set up. You'll need a Phantom Wallet with Chainlink, Link tokens, a Revolut account that supports cryptocurrencies, and some ETH for gas fees since Chainlink is on the Ethereum blockchain. Phantom is primarily for Solana, so if your Chainlink is on Ethereum, you might need to bridge or swap first. Don't worry, I'll guide you through. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app or extension. Log in and navigate to your wallet dashboard. Find your Chainlink tokens in the Assets section. Tap on them to select. Step 2. Hit the Send button. You'll need to enter the recipient's address. Now, here's the key. Revolut doesn't provide a direct wallet address for deposits like some exchanges do. Instead, you'll typically send your Chainlink to an exchange that supports Revolut withdrawals, like Binance or Coinbase, and then transfer to Revolut. But in 2025, with evolving tech, some users report direct options. Check Revolut's app for any updates on crypto deposits. Once you're set, enter the amount of Chainlink you want to send, double-check the address to avoid losses, and confirm the transaction. Gas fees might apply, so keep an eye on that. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, head over to your Revolut app. It might take a few minutes to a few hours for the tokens to appear. Once they do, you can hold, sell, or use them as needed. That's it, you've successfully moved your Chainlink. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and stay updated with the latest crypto regulations. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.